Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Denise, and here on Jasmine Denise, we figured things out, and that is exactly what's going on today. Your girl mismanaged her money. It's Vlogmas, it's one of the episodes. But anyway, your girl mismanaged her money, and I need to get it together. So I need to get at least 60 or 70 because your girl needs the money.
I need that money.
So how we get this money is we are going to DoorDash. Let's see if we can get this done today. We're starting off a little shaky. Number one, I forgot my red card, so I just had to pass on a $10 order. So hopefully I can make it back up. Man, I gotta get this budget in order. And I gotta follow it, because the budget is budgeting. I'm just not following it. It started to pick up a little bit, taking a little lunch break. So hopefully by 2 o'clock we'll have these $30. Then I can get everything I need. And you know, I used to think I would want to do this full time, but I don't know if I could drive like this for 8 hours a day. This is intense. But I do like the freedom of it, you know? You ain't gotta clock in. You ain't gotta deal with nobody other than like the restaurant people to drop the food off with.
I don't know what happened to my last clip. I don't know what's going on with my voice right now, but we met the goal. I ended the day at like $63 and some change. So I got everything I needed plus a little more. And you know, I had to go look at the home decor because I'm so ready to decorate my house. But I will see you in the next one.